Welcome to Chroma's new Spectra Viewer. In this video, we'll introduce you to the tool and quickly guide you through adding and viewing spectral data. First, let's add a fluorochrome. On the left panel, click Fluorochrome, then search for or select your fluorochrome from the available list. We'll choose EGFP, and instantly its spectra appears on the plot. Next, let's add a filter set. Click Filter Sets on the left panel, search or browse for your filter set, then click to add it. We'll add a matching EGFP filter set, and you'll immediately see the filters displayed alongside your fluorochrome spectra. To focus on a specific wavelength range, simply enter values into the boxes above your plot. Let's narrow our view to 400 to 600 nanometers and we'll see the plot automatically update. Now that your data is loaded, we can easily export the spectral graph and spectral values using the convenient options below the plot, including PNG images, CSV or XLSX files, or even quickly print a PDF copy. When you're ready to start over and model a new set of data, simply click the Clear All link located at the top of your legend panel, and your plot will instantly reset, and you're ready to start new. That's how quick and easy it is to start modeling data using the new Chroma Spectra Viewer. Give it a try today at chroma.com/spectra-viewer and see for yourself.